What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Celestia, which has once again popped up over 20% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $8.67, and as you guys can see, it is at its highest that it has been over the last couple of weeks. And yes, this isn't crypto that hasn't been launched too long ago. As you guys can clearly see, it was launched on the 2nd of November, which was exactly a month ago. And again, the long-term prediction for this crypto won't be accurate, so I'm not going to do that. We are going to stick to the short-term prediction. And going into 2024, what can we expect from Celestia as well? And again, can it potentially hit $10 over the coming days and so on? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be on the description box down below. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we are looking at the daily chart, and we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Celestia, which is here in purple at $6.37. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at $8.66, meaning it's performing very well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning this is not realistic because it is looking way too steep, guys. And the reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that it's going to keep pumping at that pace, going in that direction, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Celestia to have dropped down in value below $8, potentially down to around $7 is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. However, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, potentially heading over the $9 mark over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down to around $8 towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we are still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So once again, this is not realistic. Exact same reason applies as the previous chart. So over the next week or so, I am expecting Celestia to be trading around between $8.50 and $9. Somewhere around that price range is where it should be trading at by the end of next week, so over the next 7 to 8 days. But do expect it to be quite volatile. So if we look at last week, it has been moving in the positive direction, looking quite bullish, and has gone up 55%, but I'm not expecting it to go up another 55% over the next week. I'm expecting it to more or less trade around its current price range, but in between that time, it is highly likely that it will hit around $10, guys, towards the start of next week, and then take a little dip by mid to end of next week down to around $8.50, $9. So do expect green and red days in between pumps and drops up and down, quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. Moving on to the daily chart, I'm not expecting any MACD indicators. As you guys can see, we've literally got a little blue line here and the orange line has disappeared, meaning we won't be able to do the long-term prediction for Celestia because there is not much data on the crypto because it is a new cryptocurrency. So my expectations towards the end of December, so end of the year, very early next year, is for Celestia to be hovering around the $11 to $12 mark, somewhere around that price range. No major pumps from this point onward. Again, it is likely to hit about $13 $14 in between that time, but the overall outcome towards the very end of this year and early next year is for the crypto to be trading around $11 to $12. Somewhere in between that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. But if you guys want regular updates on Celestia, because only the short-term prediction is possible, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. But before I do the technical analysis, guys, just a little announcement. My Telegram channel is now live, so the group chat will be, the link will be in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99. However, there is a discount code here, DEC10, for 50% off to make it $14.99 a month, guys. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what is this group chat? What's going to happen in there? So there's two group chats you're going to get put into. The first one is a general chat where you guys can ask me questions on other cryptos, ask me to do predictions, analysis, and I will also provide you guys with regular updates on the Bitcoin, on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. The second chat is another one where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind that I am not a short-term investor. I am a long-term trader, meaning I don't buy and sell on a regular basis, but when I do, I get in at a good price and I get out of a good price as well. But yeah, the link is in the description box down below if you guys are interested. And now back to Celestia. As you guys can see, it is the third top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So with the Fibonacci scale, we can see it's trading at its top tier level where it's never hit this target before. The highest has been before that was around $7.43, but it has hit a new all-time high, and it is likely to carry on hitting a new all-time high over the next couple of days and weeks as well, because as you guys can see, it is a new crypto. It started from about just under $2 or over $2, and right now has gone for a major increase in value. Overall, it has gone up over over 300% overall, guys, since its beginning on the 2nd of November, which is quite good because it's still going. It's still, it's not one of the cryptos that's pumped and then crashed back down in value. Yes, it's pumped up in its initial phase, took a little bit of a dip, and then right now pumping again. So this could be a potential investment for myself in the near future once I get more analysis and more data on the crypto. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up 75% in the last 24 hours, making it $319 million in trading, which is again a huge percentage increase in trading. We're seeing a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers, trading the crypto right now, and it is likely to go up even higher over the coming hours as it's likely to gain value, so more and more people will start to trade the crypto. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Celestia. I am expecting it to potentially hit the $20 mark by mid next year, but more on that will follow in my following Celestia video updates, because that is essentially the long-term trade. But yeah, what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.